Is there As I was saying, is there a half engine in the story of trains? No, there's no half engine I see with the story of trains. Though it would be fun to pretend. Hey, so y'all seen my son with Tom Sawyer, stupid? I saw him answering a question, but I don't know where he is now. Speak of the devil, that's his whistle. Wait a minute, what the? What the? Hey guys! What are y'all doing? What the heck? The half engine! And it got me with Thomas! Nope! Nope! No, I'm still me! I just put this on to y'all react, and it was a good reaction. Oh, not cool! What was the question you asked anyway? Is there a half engine in the story of trains? Of course, we know there is no half engine, but it was fun to pretend. Oh, You're not wrong. I guess it is fun to pretend, but maybe one day we might have a half engine in the series. Only time will tell. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Yeah, like, share, subscribe, and double question in the comments.